Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for the latest in fashion and style. Today, we're diving into one of the hottest items for spring 2024. The Dokotoo women's color block striped lightweight sweater. This piece has been making waves for its unique design and comfortable fit, perfect for any occasion from casual outings to relaxed workdays. Let's start with what makes this sweater stand out. It's crafted from 100% acrylic, which gives it a soft and breathable feel. The loose fit and wide 3x4 sleeves add a touch of casual elegance, while the open knit textured material enhances its overall appeal. Now, what I love about this sweater is its versatility. The color block design not only makes it fashionable but also eye-catching. Whether you pair it with distressed denim shorts for a beachy boho look or with jeans and boots for a day out in town, this sweater effortlessly elevates your style. Comfort is key, especially in warmer seasons. The lightweight knit ensures you stay cool while still feeling cozy. It's designed for year-round wear, making it a wardrobe staple that transitions smoothly from spring through summer and even into fall. For care instructions, it's recommended to hand wash this sweater to maintain its quality and shape. This ensures that you'll enjoy it for many seasons to come without worrying about wear and tear. To sum it up, the Dokotoo women's color block sweater is not just a piece of clothing, it's a statement. Its blend of style, comfort, and versatility makes it a must-have for your wardrobe this spring 2024. Whether you're lounging at home, meeting friends, or exploring the city, this sweater promises to keep you looking chic and feeling fabulous. And that wraps up our review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful reviews on the latest fashion trends and beyond. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.